Hey guys, I'm Kelly with the SuburbanSoapbox.com, and today we are making the super popular pigs in a blanket. But what we're going to do is take them up a notch, just using simple freezer puff pastry instead of the dough that comes in the can. We are going to brush them lightly with a little egg wash and sprinkle them with some toppings of our choosing. Line them with mustard to prevent double dipping, and you have a game day treat that's sure to please everyone at the party. To get started, all you're going to need is that frozen puff pastry from your grocer's freezer section, thawed, and some of the little wieners that you can find in the hot dog section. They're basically just mini hot dogs, and they're fantastic for this appetizer. So we're also going to top the hot dogs with some seasonings, and I like to use everything bagel spice or a little bit of za'atar or some sesame seeds, but you can really top them with anything you want and really make these pigs in the blanket your own. So once your puff pastry is completely thawed, you should be able to fold it out rather easily. And what I'm going to do is just roll it out a little bit larger with a rolling pin, just to kind of press out some air and make it a little bit bigger so it's easy to cut. And then I'm going to take a pizza cutter. I actually like to use a pizza cutter rather than a knife. It just gets the work done a little bit faster. And we're going to cut it into some squares. So just cut it like a tic-tac-toe board, or maybe a little larger. So you have some mini rectangles that are about that size. Next, what you're going to do is brush a little bit of mustard on the inside of your little rectangle before you roll up your hot dog. And this is actually such a great idea for parties. If you don't like double dippers, this is going to save the day. So the mustard being inside of your pigs in a blanket is going to eliminate the whole double dipping issue. If you don't want to do all of your pigs in a blanket with mustard, you certainly don't have to. Some people don't like mustard. And you're just going to roll them up just like that. Once you have your hot dogs all wrapped up in the puff pastries, you can place them on a baking sheet that's been coated lightly with cooking spray. To make the egg wash, you're going to crack one egg into about a tablespoon of water, and then just give it a quick whisk to blend it all together. Brush the tops of your pigs in the blanket lightly with the egg wash, and then, before it dries, season with your topping of choice. So either a little bit of kosher salt, some sesame seeds, or my favorite, everything bagel spice. Once your pigs in a blanket are all wrapped up, topped with your egg wash and your toppings of choice, you're ready to bake. Transfer to the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until puffed up and golden brown. Once your pigs in a blanket is finished baking and they're puffed up and golden brown, you're going to transfer them to a serving platter. See how simple that is to up the ante on your pigs in a blanket. Crispy, light, buttery, salty, such fantastic flavors in just one little bite. For more recipes and tips, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. And if you like this video, please be sure to share it.